Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain circles concept. Part 3. Okay, now explain. Very important point. The equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c equals 0 and the coordinate axis. The equation of the circle of the circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and the coordinate axis. Okay, is this is very important. AB into x square plus y square plus c times of bx plus ay equal to 0. C times of bx plus ay. Okay, so now explain this point. The equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c equals 0 and the coordinate axis. So let us draw x and y axis. Okay, the equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line. Okay, the equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line. What is the line? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This line intersect on x-axis A, y-axis B. Okay, so our target is the equation of circumcircle. So where A is one extremity point of the diameter. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Cuts the x-axis at A. On x-axis y coordinate 0. If y is equal to 0, then we have to find x value. Ax plus c is equal, y place in right 0. Ax plus c is equal to 0. C is equal to minus, x is equal to minus c by a. X is equal to minus c by a. Okay. So this point is minus c by a comma 0. So on y-axis x coordinate 0. If ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, cuts the y-axis at B. Okay, then if x is equals 0, then if x is equals 0, then find out y value. Okay, x value is 0. If x is equals 0, then find out y value. By plus c is equals 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus c by b. This point is 0 comma minus c by b. Okay, the equation of circumcircle with endpoints of diameter x1 y1, this point x2 y2. So let us take a x1 y1. The equation of circumcircle with endpoints of diameter. What is the formula? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Okay, it will become x minus, where x1 y1 value g minus c by a and 0. X minus x1. So x minus of minus, this is plus x plus c by a. X minus x2. X2 value 0. Plus y minus y1. Y1 value 0. Y minus y2. Y2 value minus c by b, minus into minus plus c by b. Okay, it will becomes x multiplied to all x square plus cx by a plus y multiplied to all y square plus cy by b equal to 0. Now it will becomes, so let us do LCM. AB is LCM. AB into x square plus y square. AB into x square plus y square plus c times of, in this one c take out common, the c times of bx plus ay equal to 0. This is required. Okay. The equation of the circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c equals 0 and the coordinate axis. What is the answer? AB times of x square plus y square plus c times of bx plus ay equal to 0. Okay. So now I am going to explain the equation of circle passing through the 3 points. The equation of the circle passing through the 3 points. Passing through 3 points. One is 0, 0. Second one is AB. And third one is BA. Is. So AB into x square plus y square. A plus B. A plus B into x square plus y square minus a square plus b square into x plus y is equal to 0. Okay. So I give one example. The equation of the circle passing through the 3 points. One is origin, second one is 2, 5, and third one is 5, 2. Is. What is the answer? A plus b into x square plus y square minus a square plus b square into x plus y, where AB values are 2 and 5. Okay. A plus b. 2 plus 5 into x square plus y square minus a square plus b square, 2 square plus 5 square into x plus y is equal 0. So it will becomes, this is 7x square plus 7y square minus, so 4 plus 25, 29 minus 29x minus 29y is equal 0. This is answer. Okay. A plus b times of x square plus y square minus a square plus b square into x plus y equal to 0. Okay, now I am going to explain next very important formula. The equation of the circle passing through the 3 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and C x3 y3. Okay, is. So delta times of x square plus y square plus delta 1 times of x plus delta 1 times of x, delta 2 times of y plus delta 3 into 1 delta 3 equal to 0, where delta equal to det of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So delta 1 equal to C1 C2 C3. On first column placement we should write C1 C2 C3. The remaining write as it is y1 y2 y3 1 1 1, and the delta 2 is equal. On second column placement we should write C1 C2 C3. What is the first column? x1 x2 x3, write as it is. Next 1 1 1. So delta 3 equal delta 3. On one placement we should write C1 C2 C3. Okay, on first column we should write x1 x2 x3. In second column write y1 y2 y3. So delta 1 delta 2 delta 3, where C1 is equal to minus of x1 square plus y1 square, C2 is equal to minus of x2 square plus y2 square, C3 is equal to minus of x3 square plus y3 square. Okay, where x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 from points given. So this is the equation of circle passing through 3 points. Very, very important. Delta times of x square plus y square plus delta 1 into x, delta 2 into y plus delta 3 equal to 0. This is delta 1, delta 2, and delta 3. Okay. So now I am going to explain the equation of circumcircle formed by the lines. The equation of the circumcircle formed by the lines. Formed by the triangle the equation of circumcircle of the triangle. Just 1 minute. The equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the lines L1 is equal 0, L2 equals 0, and L3 equals 0 is. So this is the most important formula. So lambda times of L1 L2 plus mu times of L2 L3 plus L3 L1 equal to 0. Okay, where lambda and mu can be found by using first point, the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is equal to the coefficient of y square, and the coefficient of xy equal to 0. Okay, this is the most important formula. The equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the lines. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.